Hi, Josh Brown here, and I'm in Erlangen, Germany at the EvoSys Technical Center. Want to do a quick demo of the EvoWeld. This is EvoSys standard turnkey system. The first thing to note is this was very specifically designed to be narrow so it can fit through standard doorways. It also has a rotary table. This is typically designed to be manually loaded and unloaded by an operator. However, this baffling system can be removed, so it can be loaded automatically by a robot or pick-and-place system. You can see it as a complete HMI for all of your contour teaching, but also for the production operator to be understanding what's happening with the system while they're running it. An internal camera to view what's going on inside the machine. And then, of course, the tooling system. Light curtains here and here. Start button over here. And then this machine has a 250 by 250 millimeter working field. But you can also choose to do dual clamping. We just need to understand a little bit more about your project to determine for sure. All right, let's do a quick weld test. 2 absorbing pieces, I'll explain that in a minute. Load these in, hit start. So this is the Evo 2-step process. We're actually welding 2 absorbing pieces together. The laser is gonna strike both pieces and then it's gonna sandwich up to bring them together to complete a weld. We don't have a nest here, so I just have to hit that one more time. Normally it'd be fully automatic. We bring the part out and you have a completed weld. You can also notice that we have green lights here and here saying the part was okay, and LED lights around the side as well. If we had a not okay part, those would be red indicators. If you'd like more information or technical details on this machine, you can look us up at evosys-laser.com.